Hello viewers, welcome to another episode of Knowledge Sharing. Before continuing, like us or like and follow our Facebook page, subscribe to our YouTube channel, comments and share our video for more interesting topics. Today we are looking at this question and it says evaluate x plus y equals to 6 and xy equals to 6. So we are going to find the value of x and y in this given question. So here we have solution. We are given x plus y equals to 6 and also xy equals to 6. Let's call this equation 1 and let's call this equation 2. So from equation 1, we have x plus y equals to 6. Therefore, we can find the value of x from here or y. Let's take y. So we have y equals to 6 minus x because x will be transposed into this other side. So we have this for the value of y. Then from equation 2, we have x, y equals to 6. Then we are going to substitute the value of y in this equation. So we have x into, since we have y equals to 6 minus x as the value of y, this is equals to 6. Therefore, we can multiply this. This will become 6x minus x squared equals to 6. So here we can transpose 6 into this other side. So that will become minus x squared plus 6x minus 6 equals to 0. We have a negative sign here. We can multiply all through by minus 1. So we say multiply all through by minus 1. So this will become minus 1 into x to the power of 2 plus, this is minus 1 into 6x, then we have minus 1 into minus 6 equals to 0. In this case, okay, this is minus 1 times minus x squared, we have x to the power of 2. This will become minus 6x. Then this one, minus 1 times minus 6 will give us plus 6 equals to 0. So we have a quadratic equation here. And here, we are going to use a quadratic formula to find the value of x. So here we have x equals to minus b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. In this case, our value of a equals to 1. Then value of b equals to minus 6. Then value of c equals to 6. Substituting this parameter into this equation, so we have it as x equals to our minus b, which is minus into minus 6. Then we have plus or minus square root of b squared, which is minus 6 to the power of 2 minus 4 times our a, which is 1. Then our c, which is, our c is 6 times 6 all over 2 times a. Our a is 1. Therefore, we have x equals to minus times minus 6. It will give us 6. Then plus or minus square root of minus 6 squared is 36. Then minus 6 times 1 times 6 will give us 24. Then we have all over 2. So in this case, this is the same thing as x equals to 6 plus or minus square root of 36 minus 24 gives us 12 all over 2. So this is the same thing as having x equals to 6 all over 2 plus or minus square root of 12 all over 2. This case, 2 will cancel here 1, 2 will cancel here 3. We have x equals to 3 plus or minus square root of 12 is the same thing as square root of 4 times square root of 3 all over 2. So this is the same thing as having 3 plus or minus square root of 4 is 2 times root 3 all over 2. In this case, 2 will cancel here 1, 2 will cancel here 1. Therefore, value of x equals to 3 plus or minus, this is root 3. This is what we have for the value of x. And here we have two solutions from this solution of x. And these are x1 equals to 3 plus root 3. Then we have x2 as 3 minus root 3. So these are the two possible value of x that we have. Then this is for x. Then we need to find for y. We recall that we had y equals to 6 minus x. So here we recall that we have y equals to 6 minus x. Then at x equals to 3 plus root 3, where y equals to 6 minus 3 plus root 3. Therefore, our y equals to, this is 6 minus 3 will give us 3 plus root 3. So this is the first value of y. Then the second one, so we need to clean this. Then for the second one, which is at x equals to 3 minus root 3, then we have y equals to 6 minus x. So our value of x is this. So we have y equals to 6 minus, this is 3 minus root 3. So this will become y equals to 6 minus 3 plus, because minus times minus will give us plus root 3. So in this case, 6 minus 3 will give us 3 plus root 3. So the value of y equals to 3 plus root 3. So this is the second value of y, 3 plus root 3. The first value of y is 3. Okay, here is supposed to be minus. Sorry. Here is minus. So we have 3 minus root 3, because here we have minus into 3. We have minus 3. 6 minus 3. Then we have minus into plus root 3 will give us minus root 3. So here we have the first value of y. y1 equals to 3 minus root 3. Then we have y2 equals to 3 plus root 3. So if you can look at it, we have the value of y as 3 minus root 3. And we also have the value of x here as 3 minus root 3. We have the value of y2 as 3 plus root 3. I have the value of x1 as 3 plus root 3. Therefore, we can do a little check for us to confirm whether this solution satisfies the question. So we say check that at equation 1, since we have the value of y equals the value of x, so we are going to use x plus y equals to 6. Then the first value of x, which is 3 plus root 3, then we have plus y, which is 3 minus root 3. Let's see whether it will give us 6. So here we have 3 plus 3, which is 6. And we also have here plus root 3 minus root 3 here. We cancel each other. So we have 6 equals to 6. Therefore, what we have on the left hand side equals to what we have on the right hand side. Then for the second value of x, which is xy equals to 6. xy equals to 6. Since we have the same value of x1 as y2 and y2 as x1, then this will become, for x, which is 3 plus root 3, then times 3 minus root 3. Then when we multiply this, let's see whether it will give us 6. So we have here 3 times 3 will give us 9. Then 3 times minus root 3 will give us minus 3 root 3. Then we have root 3 times 3 will give us plus 3 root 3. Then we have plus root 3 times minus root 3 will give us minus 3 equals to 6. This will cancel here. We have 9 minus 3 equals to 6. This is equals to 6. What we have on the left hand side is what we have on the right hand side. Therefore, the solution of x and y here satisfy this question. If you like what we are doing here, follow us on our Facebook page, subscribe to our YouTube channel, comments, and share video for more interesting topics. Thank you.